kahit may upuan ha. So, very worried that panalo na rin.
Si Mark Anthony Heraldo nung check right. Also good boxer, he has a good
The challenger, boy, Carl Martin. And his opponent across the ring fighting out the red corner, Anthony Heraldo.
James Martin for the RP Super Bantamweight title para sa mga...
Of course, Jim Rex Haka. Sino pa ba hindi nakakilala kay Jim Rex Haka? And of course, Jun Talape, Jun Riel, mga bato ng jabs, yan, is starting to, to clobber.
Nang hook kanina ni Martin, etong si Herald. Ano bang gagawin sa akin ito? At yun.
Unang pasok niya sa ring. But also, you cannot overlook the experience na meron to si Mark Anthony Herson. First and only person for Carl James Martin.
At ito naman si Carl James.
Yes, favorable kay Carl James Martin na merong sapat na distansya, at least 2
Oo, kahit may upuan na nagiging standing room only, talagang excited sila makita ang action dito ng
pwede ma-offer pa nito ni Carl James Martin.
Second round on the... And Martin also very worried that Heraldo, as with that, talagang makakatulog ka.
Yes, totoo. And of course, makikita naman natin yan, pinapasok na. Pero ang kinaganda dito, kahit siguro on his back foot, ito nga si Carl James Martin, tumatama.
Others got kung makakapasok sila. At ayun na nga, nakapasok ng kombinasyon doon si Martin.
Medyo na-rock itong si advantage niya, itong si Carl James Martin. He's the taller guy, and that's a good body punch from Carl James Martin.
And Heraldo bumawi kaagad.
Mag-iingat si Carl James Martin doon sa pull out.
We expect a long fight right here, DC. I'm mga panalo na rin, pero itong si Heraldo hindi basta-basta.
Anthony Heraldo, let's say, maaari nga
daw nagsasabi na yung mga kalaban, si Heraldo makakabigay ng kanyang unang talo. And we are seeing a little adjustment here for both fighters, making the initiative already, knowing where to strike and looking at
from Ipugao.
At ayun, nahuli na sa counter here by Carl James Martin.
Parang diesel itong si Carl James Martin. And ito sa round na to, umiinit na.
Oo na yan, si Heraldo.
Well, ito naman ngayon sa round na to, parang ang sabi sa kanya ng makikita naman niya mas triple, o sabihin natin doble, triple na yung active gunshot. Ito nga si Mark Anthony Heraldo. And of course, pag walang activity from the other corner,
along the way, so the unpredictability is there for the Wonder Boy.
Mataan mo yun, ang ganda nung check right hook, the attempts to close the gap.
At ito na nga si Heraldo. Again, he is still looking for in-ring adjustments for both fighters. And so far, Martin is
gustong bitawan ni Carl James Martin ay nagagawa niya in this round. Seconds na tayo of this round. I'm curious kung ano ang gagawin o maaaring gawin ba ito ni Carl James Martin. So far, very effective. And I think 80%.
Looking to keep an unblemished record. And he had a good third round entry there for Martin. And another combination coming into Heraldo.
Speaking of data na sinasabi mo in the third round, mukhang mas dumami pa nga. You live confident kung ano yung mga gusto niya yung batong suntok. So kung saan pwedeng, linear lang, hindi naman nanggagaling from other angles. So, he comes from the other side, kunyari doon sa weak spot nga nito ni Mark Anthony Heraldo, and then
we are seeing right here at yan nga, good combination to the body.
Mark Anthony Heraldo na parang, pupunta sa katawan, titirahin naman niya sa ulo.
At ayun na nga, getting ganon. At ito na, palitan uli ang dalawang to the body by Heraldo. Countering to the face and body itong si missing on that hasta mapapatumba.
Yes, that's a veteran in him. Ito nga parang pumapasok naman ang uppercut kasi lalo palusong palagi itong si Mark Anthony Heraldo.
Seconds na po tayo sa round number 4 and both boxers getting some action. General, may mga kailangan pang bawiin dito para makahabol sa ating laban. At yan na nga.
Fresh pa dong si Carl James Martin. That's a good counter.
Mga papasok ni Heraldo coming into attacking Martin.
He's not, hindi ko naman masabi na hindi ganun ka-efficient yung Carl James Martin dahil basang-basa niya kung saan manggagaling itong si
Both fighters sizing up. A good punch there to the body by the...
Parang tayong bumalik sa slow pace na action dito.
Ang importante dito. Yun. And initiating the
That's a
attack
that's
each other and keeping the distance. And
well, it works for Mar. Pero tingnan natin kung makapag-adjust. Tinamaan.
tinamaan si Martin doon. Nasaktan siya. Atikin doon si Martin. Medyo nag-alanganin. Nakakita ng puwang si Geraldo getting to the face right there.
Hindi pwedeng ma-overshadow nung discard. Hindi pwedeng ma-overshadow dun sa kalaban mo. It's going to be dangerous for him. Kasi kahit pa paano,
Si Martin. And it has been the story of this fight. And there
makikita mo naman dito parang nakarecover na rin si Carl James Martin. That's a good left straight from Carl James Martin.
kaninang round si Geraldo. Ang naka
Dun sa punches ni Carl James Martin. Ni Geraldo pupunta sa katawan, bibitawan niya ng konti yung defense sa taas, sabay magsiswitch na itong si Carl James Martin.
That was a powerful punch to take in. Pero si Geraldo, sige pa rin. Parang walang nangyari.
Yung tibay din naman ito. Yung
Ayun.
Mark Anthony Geraldo, pero parang nasaktan itong si Mark Anthony Geraldo.
Ayun, nakawi naman to si Geraldo with a roundhouse. His mature body right here, his maturity kanina. Hindi siya na-atap sa ating laban. El General versus the Wonder Boy.
At least, ito nga si Mark Anthony Geraldo, pag bumato na isa,
Second round, at yan na nga, dito natin nakikita yung tibay ng kanila mga training camp at yung pagtagat.
huling-huli si Mark Anthony Geraldo doon.
And Geraldo trying to get the... At yun,
That's a nice
nakapasok.
check hook from Carl James Martin.
And combination there by Geraldo. Trying to control the fight, pero look at that count.
From Mark Anthony Geraldo.
Pumapasok si Geraldo, that counter punch.
Martin, it's doing the job so far. Parang panglima. Tama yung check right hook na yan.
Carl James Martin and Mark Anthony Geraldo.
So far, lahat naman ang ginagawa ni Carl James Martin.
Slip there for Geraldo. So inayos muna ng ating referee ang laban. At action is back here. And ito medyo mga attempts.
Kaso, nakakapasok na itong si Mark Anthony Geraldo, but he's still on the receipt. Mag-iingat na itong si Mark Anthony Geraldo.
Always on the way. At kaya na nga, sa mukha naman si...
Sukat na sukat ni Carl James Martin.
Ito si Wonderboy, he can come in anytime.
That's
At
slow.
kaya na nga, medyo na...
That's slow, that's slow. That's your partner.
Ayun, nagkapalitan ng konting...
Ngayon, medyo nagpalit si Carl. Pwede rin 7-1. It's a tough round to score yung first round, pero it's all Carl James Martin. Let's see kung ano pa ang pwede pang maka-off from surging.
Normalize na tayo dito sa ating boxing at the stars are out as well here in...
Martin. It also serves as an avenue to knock out artists, but it goes to show na he is also a good boxer. He has a good boxing skills na he could...
The puzzle on how to get in. A little success, but more...
James Martin in launching that kind of uppercut to the body kasi kuminsan masyadong
Right here, at getting away from those attacks by Geraldo. Look at that! How good defense. The haymaker missed with those jabs. Missing on those combinations.
First plate, yung main event natin is the
Yun.
second plate.
And Geraldo's trying to go...
Maganda activity ni Mark Anthony Geraldo dito, but the problem is hindi tumatama o hindi umaabot itong mga... Tingin nila ito nga si Carl James Martinez all
Ayun.
Geraldo. It's impressive.
Ayun, nakapasok ng kombinasyon sa mukha si Mark.
Alam mo partner, magandang laban. Of course, hindi lang...
Nako. Nakapasok doon, may secure na itong panalo. At nakapasok pa ng kombinasyon si Wonderboy doon. In the corner.
The momentum of this fight. As I was saying, ito nga maganda patungkol sa kanyang development as a fighter. Kasi hindi kung sa kanya, kung magpo-progress pa siya lamang isang katulad ni Mark Anthony Geraldo.
itong si Geraldo nakakapasok din.
Doon nga ako namamangha sa parte na yun eh. Yung counter punching ni Carl James Martin, boxing skills, and of course, leaning on his brilliant ability.
Still, Martin attacks. Aldo still controlling the center while etong si Martin is he knows ang maganda sa kanya.
Tinamaan si
Oo, tinamaan siya doon.
Martin doon.
Tinamaan si Martin, has to be careful right here. Mas naging agresibo na si Geraldo.
Compared doon sa naunang 10 rounds.
At yan na nga.
Nakikita natin, nag-build up itong kumpiyansa ni Mark Anthony Geraldo after hitting a couple of hard shots in this round. Naling back, trying to...
Once yung
It's a
mag-counter,
It's
counter siya.
It's a no-brainer kung he will go...
Ni Geraldo being more aggressive early on in a very aggressive Geraldo, but he's initiate Martin to go all out here.
That's a good right straight. Left straight.
Konekta uli. Nakakahanap ng buwang. Umalis kagad si Martin sa rope sa judges scorecards, but Geraldo knows that he won't let the judge. Ayun, nakapasok.
That's a good uppercut from Carl.
Man, this is an advantage for
Mapapansin ka rin parang hindi na rin susugal at he's leading on the scorecards. Engage with him in this last round.
and it has been good boxing for both fighters. Ayun, nakapasok pa.
All at the 10-second mark.
And the new Philippine Super Bantamweight Champion, Carl James Martin.